Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to silence text message notifications at night on iPhone or how to enable do not disturb. So first go to settings, tap on focus, tap on do not disturb. From here customize allow notifications. From here add specific people or apps whose notifications you want to receive even when do not disturb is on. Tap on people, tap on allow notification tap on add, and from here you can add any contact from whom you want to receive notifications even if do not disturb is on. Tap on apps and you can select any app from here. Now tap on add schedule, choose the time range, tap on time and choose the time range from when you want do not disturb to be active. From here you can exclude certain days if needed, like Tuesday, Friday or any days. Now after that tap on done and your schedule will be activated. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.